on our way to the gym, about to go work out, man. 100,000 subscribers, man. Let's get it together. I can't wait. We got the missus herself in the cut, man. Gang in here. Boosie Boo, man. What up, man? You about to run a mile? Cannon, you know you got all the big muscles and stuff, man. What we doing today, man?
Alright, feel easy. We gotta keep going.
It feel easy, bro. This not this on the set.
100,000 subscribers, guys. It's time to get right. Mind, body, soul, everything, man.
Let go ahead too.
Like once you wake up and you get here, bro,
it's cool.
Good.
Oh, God. Alrighty, guys. Next day here. Next day here, man. This video is definitely a little bit different of a video. We actually about to go to the gym right now and get in the wind. Y'all see how we going? I gotta get my little garage opener out the Lambo. Gotta get the garage opener out the Lambo. Okay, we should be good now. I need to get an interior clean on that one. That's nice. Early morning here, back in the vet. I told myself when I hit 100,000 subscribers, man, I was gonna start going to the gym, working out, so on and so forth, man. So here we are, on our way to the gym, about to go work out, man. 100,000 subscribers, man. Let's get it together. I can't wait. It's time to go, yeah, man. If you guys want to work out with me, man, come on and work out with your boy, man. It's time to go up and go above and beyond. I can't wait, dog. Let's go up here to the gym and see what we got rocking, gang. Hey, man, y'all see what time it is? We in here early. I got Coke and everybody out here today. We going, yeah. Yeah, man, tell them wake up.
Brian Cannon finna wake up on y'all ass. Everybody got the Brian Cannon finna wake up on y'all ass,
Hey,
boy.
man, it's up.
Hey, boy, I'm gonna tell you, Brian Cannon finna wake up on y'all ass.
Alrighty, guys, just pulled up to the gym. We got gang out here. We got the big truck. We got the lack on 30s. We got Cannon in the cut, man. Let's get up in here and get up out this cold, because it is freezing right now, gang. Yes, sir, man. We just pulled up to the gym. We got gang in here, man. Y'all see what it is, man. We got Wealthy in the cut. We got the missus herself in the cut, man. Gang in here. Boosie Boo, man. What up, man? You about to run a mile? Hey, this is different. I ain't never seen this. Look like it's fun. Hey, man, we about to get in order. 100K subscribers. Let's see. You just run on it to start that bad. Oh, wow. Ooh.
Look at you.
Yeah, nah.
Trying to be too cool.
Hey, come on. Look, fall right off, huh? Cannon, you know you got all the big muscles and stuff, man. What we doing today, man?
Man, today we got abs.
We got abs, man. Y'all see the little abs, no abs just yet, man, but we coming.
Yesterday, but today we got abs. We got abs and back.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we get these boys right. SSG the team, man. Let's get it, baby.
Hey, we about to play football.
If all else failed, you know, Boosie just started working on it. Yeah, so.
We about to play some football up in that joint, dog.
Corey, here. So I'm gonna go first. You follow me. On your start. So here, the whole point of this is keeping your abs tight the whole time, all the way down, all the way back. That's it, the whole time. All right, just like that. Here, like that. All right, all the way down.
I think I can get that, man. I think I can get that. Gang working out in Louis Vuitton shorts. This dude.
Yeah.
So we got to do 3 in one time?
No, we do down and back is one.
Oh, okay, down and back is one. Okay, got
Somebody
you.
went down. Corey, when you come back down, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I got to do
Look, since you want to play around, huh?
Go ahead, Boosie.
Boy, this finger hurt. See that right there?
Yeah.
I do my workout the right, actually do it the right way.
Yeah. See, later when we start getting stronger, we'll start adding weight to the back, putting a 45 weight on back.
And we doing it right.
Yeah, you're doing it right. You're doing it right.
Yeah. Alright, feel easy. We gotta keep going.
Hey, it feel easy, bro. It's not this on the set though.
There you go. And take your time. Yeah, just make sure you do it the right way. Make sure your back
Because
flat.
the whole point is back flat and
Make
you
sure
keep
that
on
back
that
straight.
side.
Yeah. So you do it the right way, you gonna feel it. You go right. Hey, Boosie, that back next to me.
My back
so straight right now?
No, that. We got
Oh, my bad.
like a cut, right?
That's it, A2. Just down the back.
Straight that beat gonna get unless you want me to die.
Hey, hold on. You gotta come back before you go wealthy. He acting like Corey. I go on back and back. So one set. We got more than one exercise.
All right, we going straight in there.
One more, right?
No, that was it.
Okay,
So down and back one, rest, down and back 1, 3 sets.
Oh,
We'll take it all the
okay, man, I
time.
did 2 of them.
Oh, you good, you good. Y'all
back
rush,
straight,
make sure y'all keep them abs tight though. All right, good.
He like, man, look, breathing hard already. I'm telling you, 100,000 subscribers, guys. It's time to get right. I'm telling you. Mind, body, soul, everything, man. Vlogmas day 1. It's time to go up, man.
Okay, cool. Since you want to be advanced,
Right,
down and back, you got 10 push-ups after you come back.
And the Louis Vuitton shorts.
What's up?
How are you?
Good, how are you? Good morning.
Good.
Good
10 push-ups when you're done.
What's up, brother? How are you, man?
Go.
See you as always.
1.
What's up, my man?
Man, I thought I saw that big truck out there, man. What's up with you,
Come
man?
on. Well, so I gotta be built to
Come back.
get in
Go.
that big truck.
Right, huh?
Something like that. Good seeing you guys, man. I'm glad y'all are here.
Hey, text me, bro.
Every morning. I will. I'll text you.
That's Jordan.
All right, so
Good.
Working on apps.
so Lacey just came in, so we're gonna throw her in there. I need somebody to hold the camera, cause I need to start instructing for real. All right, Lacey. 10 push-ups. 1.
Boy.
Let go, A2.
Go. 5, 6,
10.
Lacey.
That's a lot better.
Yeah.
Get down.
That's a lot better.
Down.
I feel like we doing something now.
That's a lot of you, boy.
Yeah.
Once you wake up and you get here, bro,
Nah, it's cool.
Good.
Oh, God.
That shit is great.
I didn't even think I was gonna like working out like that. I was ready to go.
3 sets, right?
3 sets, yeah.
We got Lacey in the cut. Y'all see what's going on?
Cannon, man. Get the cannon. Do a
Get
cannon.
the balls next, y'all.
Do a cannon.
No.
What's it thinking on them balls?
Well, chill out. It's chill out. It's that Casa catching up the game.
Y'all bullshit. I would never thought Bush would be in the gym. That's doing that shit.
Hey, I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. I done already did my walk around, my little breather, all that off camera. So I'm getting everybody else on camera. It's up though, man. I hope everybody out there is chasing their dreams, man, trying to be better than you were yesterday. It's time to go up, I'm telling you, man. Keep shooting for the stars, man. You just might end on one.
Last one. That's it. Good off strong. Come on, Lacey, you got it. That's like the exception. Just started. Go. See, don't kick the head, boy. Come on, Lacey. Tell me to pass the chin.
That motherfucker.
Let's go. We got 30 seconds. We got 30 seconds.
Stay the hell no.
We got 30 seconds. We got 15 seconds left. Come on.
Niggas like, hell no.
And time. Good. Good job.
I hear people pulled up for me. He said, "Down like, how we just do like 10 seconds?"
I was at 30 seconds.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, I'm on 45.
That's right.
Yeah, you gotta do it big. No, bro, that was foul, bro.
Let me see
You
it.
know what muscle up is?
I know you come out.
Yeah. All the way up.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Can't do it. I ain't never did it before. What the fuck? How you do that?
Yeah, that's like the gas.
Like that.
Now look, as you're swinging, look. Swing forward. As you're swinging back, look.
Yeah, double jointing, you got it.
You should be able to do it. Once
My arm, you gotta think my arm tight right now, bro. My shit weak right now.
nigga,
Hell, I hit you.
I'm 250. I'm 250. We'll try to do one more time.
Can you do that though, bro?
That's what I am.
That's a big guy.
Let me see.
Oh, no, he's been joshing.
Let's go two. Hey, get a little more momentum going forward. As you're coming back. Swing forward. Yeah, you got it. That's it, right there. That's where you start, right there.
Hell no.
I can't do it. That one, you gotta swing. It's like the momentum you got. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Freaking whooped. Lips is turning white. Basketball time. Y'all see what's going on.
And that's why
All the oohs and ahs.
I think we're probably coming.
Carmen against Wealthy and Lacey. I'm 3-0 here.
Whew. Back at the house, man. Just left the gym. What an incredible freaking morning. I ain't gonna hold you. Like, just working out and stuff now, it just feels a whole lot different. A whole lot different. Even when like all your buddies and people that you mess with is working out too, man. So I want to encourage everybody out there to work on your health, man. If you guys been wanting to work out, man, find you a workout partner, man. Get up every day and just go try it. Start small and gradually increase your workout, man. I'm telling you, it can happen for you, man. Work on your mind, body, and soul, man. That's all that matters at the end of the day, man. You got to make sure you straight first so you can get the real stuff in life done, man. So with that being said, I appreciate everybody out there tuning in. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Vlogmas, it is going up every day. We're gonna be tuning in, showing you guys some different stuff and some different aspects of the Everything Regular brand and just some behind the scenes stuff, man. So with that being said, man, I do appreciate you guys tuning in. It's all love. At the end of the day, SSG, Everything Regular. It is a movie. I'll catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.